Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to be going and picking up my girlfriend's car. She bought it about 2 months ago and it didn't end up working out as she wanted it to. It had a couple of different problems. It needs a fuel pump, it needs a vacuum line, probably needs new brakes. And we're going to be going and picking it up. It's at the dealership that she works at as of right now, so that's what today's video is going to be. I'll throw you guys back on when we get to the U-Haul.
PremiumBeef.com.
Okay, so we just arrived at the Z, and we just realized we don't have the key for the Z. So now we have to drive all the way back to the apartment, go get the key, so we can get the Z on the trailer. So I'll throw you guys back on when we do all that. We got the key and my brisk, and we're ready to go. Throw you guys back on when we get there. So we have arrived back at the Z with the keys this time. We're just gonna drive it up. I don't actually know how this works. Well, I do, but they go over the tires and get the ramps out. Get the pole.
Thanks. Oh, yeah, I still can't do it.
Hold the camera. Let the man do the work.
Shut up. I'll let the man do the work.
Yeah, the man is doing the work. There's a god-awful noise. I think the Z's gonna be too low to fit on it.
Probably.
Someone left the mask on. Ew, your car is green.
Mm-hmm.
Is it locked?
No.
Figure out how the brakes to lock. Unlock your car, please. Start her up. It's the first time they've ever seen the Z. Yes, it is. Yeah. I've seen it. Does not do that. It's smoking so much. He died. Are you having a little trouble there? Yeah. What's wrong?
I can't do it.
There it goes. smoking so much. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. So we're having some difficulties with getting it started because the car does need a fuel pump. So I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod on the ground and I'm gonna try and push it up onto the trailer, and we'll see how that works. Alright, so that didn't end up working out too well. The starter just died on the Z, so I had to call in a couple of friends to help us try and push it up. So we're just waiting for them now. This really sucks. Alright guys, so we finally got the Z up onto the trailer. We had a bunch of random people come and help us because my friend couldn't make it in time because we have to bring the truck back by 5 and it's already almost 5 and we have a long ways to drive it. But we got it on here. We have it somewhat tied down. I don't think it's moving anywhere. But I'm gonna throw you guys on a little montage maybe of driving home, and then we're gonna see how we're gonna even get this thing off the trailer. Because we're gonna have to sit in it, and
PremiumBeef.com.
fast as fuck.
Ooh, what is that? The ship box. I don't know, I can't see. No, not mine. Oh, I was taking a video that far. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay, so we got the Z off the trailer. Got it in the parking spot next to the Passat. Kind of ripped off the fender a lot and a little. But we can fix that later. Now I need to bring this back because we're going to be late dropping off the unit. So that's where we're going to be ending this video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.